I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with a focused audit so you know where to act first. Run a crawl and check indexation, mobile rendering, and core web vitals. Once done, identify 3 quick wins, optimize title tags, fix broken links, and tighten meta descriptions that yield fast wins while you plan bigger moves. Make sure to log baseline metrics, traffic, keyword positions, and conversion rates so every change has measurable impact and you can prove value to the client. You now shift into execution, combining content strategy with technical SEO. Map keyword clusters by user intent and fill content gaps with pillar pages plus supporting posts, and then build internal linking to funnel authority. Meanwhile, implement technical fixes, update sitemap, robots directives, canonicalization, and structured data so search engines interpret your pages correctly. Once live, follow a content calendar and a /b test headlines and CTAs. Make sure to monitor crawl errors and index growth as you iterate. You finish by measuring impact and closing the loop. Build dashboards that track traffic, impressions, CTR, conversions, and crawl errors so you can spot trends fast. Once patterns emerge, iterate, boost top-performing pages, refresh thin content, and remove or consolidate low-return pages. Make sure to communicate results with concise reports tied to the original goals. If something breaks, check server logs, recent deployments, and Google Search Console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.